There, people on YouTube. Well, today we're going to be cold starting a 1997 Ford Falcon, and I've been on YouTube, and there's not many videos about these cars on cold starts and that shit. So I thought I'll do one myself because let's do it. It's about minus like 3 degrees. It's freezing. There was all ice in the car. Had to hose it off. We'll just flick the ignition switch to ignition. Okay, it's pretty cold. Okay, we're gonna do a cold start. 1, 2, 3. I don't think your squirters work either. Only that one does. Roll this window down. Yeah. Well, we'll get out the car now, and we'll have a little look around. I'll just unplug my charger. I have to be pretty quick. That's the back of it. Whistling sound. I don't know. It's quite a cold morning. Let me jump back in because I am barefoot. I'm freezing. I'll connect my charger back in, and we'll wait for this sucker to warm up. And yep, put the radio on.
Buy any full-priced furniture item.
I'm in a good station right now.
Internet.
Well, anyway, YouTube, I'll let this sucker warm up, and then I'll respawn the video. And while we're here, we'll see how long it takes for it to warm up. The time now is 7:07, and we've still got a cold gauge. Is this heater working or? Oh, anyway, 7:07, and that's the gauge. Now the time is 7:08, and that's the gauge. Bit of vibration here because it's cold. I'm actually starting to feel the vibration a little bit more now. Maybe because the automatic choke's gone off, I have no idea. The windows are not automatic. But yeah. The time now is 7:10 in the temperature gauge. I just recently had this switch fixed because it snapped off. This switch is off an, I think it's a 1995 something else Falcon, but it fits. I mean, it still works a lot, so that's the main thing. It's just not in the right position. That's all it's meant to be, but it still works. It's the gauge. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be a nice day today, so that's a good thing. We'll get out the car and see how it sounds now. See the bit of steam coming out the tailpipe. I was expecting that steam before, but it didn't happen before, did it? We'll get another view off the front. Sounding a lot. You can definitely hear when it warms up. Sounds way better. I'll pop the bonnet. And I'll show you. What it looks like. Still cold. Freezing. Show you what it looks like with the headlights on. Now with the hazard lights.